Welcome. I am really glad you're here. For the next few minutes, we're going to focus on one of the simplest and most powerful practices available to us: gratitude. Gratitude doesn't just shift the way we think, it changes the way we feel. It softens tension, it lifts our mood, and reminds us of what's already good in our lives. So allow yourself this time. Nothing else is needed right now. This is your space. So let's begin with the breath. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Inhale slowly through the nose, drawing in fresh air and calm energy. And exhale gently through your mouth, releasing the day. And now do it again. Inhale fully, filling your lungs. And then exhale slowly, letting your body sink into ease. And one more time. Inhale peace. And exhale and release. So let your breath find a steady rhythm, flowing in and out, calm and effortless. And now bring to mind one thing you're grateful for today. Now it doesn't need to be something big. It could be a meal you enjoyed, a message from a friend, or even the quiet comfort of this moment. See this thing clearly in your mind. Really picture it, feel it, and let it sit right in front of you like a gift. Now notice how your body feels as you think about it. Does your chest feel lighter? Does your face soften into a small smile? Do you feel a little warmer inside? Allow yourself to fully receive that. And with your next breath, imagine this gratitude glowing in your chest like a soft, warm light. Each inhale makes it brighter, and each exhale lets it spread further. So see it filling your shoulders, down your arms, and through your hands. See it glowing in your belly, your hips, your legs, and all the way to your feet. Your whole body is glowing with the warmth of gratitude. And now, let it move beyond your body, See it spilling into the space around you, touching the room you're in and filling it with light. See it reaching the people you care about, even if they're far away. Gratitude connecting you to them, silently and deeply. And now, silently repeat these words after me. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this breath. And thank you for this life. So let the words echo and let them sink in. Notice how your body responds to them. And notice the shift in your energy. So take one more deep breath in, filling your chest with gratitude. And then exhale slowly, sending it out into the world. And when you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes now. And gently, when it feels right, just open your eyes. Carry this gratitude with you. It'll change the way you move through the rest of your day. Namaste.